NordVPN Ubuntu, how to install NordVPN on Linux distributions. Installing NordVPN on Linux is straightforward. Here's how you can do it. Installation methods. NordVPN supports various Linux distributions, including Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, CentOS, and OpenSUSE. You can install it using either 1. Snap package, for easy installation across different Linux distributions. 2. Terminal commands, for direct installation. Installing via terminal. 1. Open the terminal. 2. Run the following command, sh curl ssf https://downloads.nordcdn.com/apps/linux/install.sh. If curl is not installed, use sh bookitqo https://downloads.nordcdn.com/apps/linux/install.sh. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions. 4. If you encounter a permission issue, run sudo usermod ag nord $user then reboot your device. Using NordVPN on Linux. Once installed, you can start using NordVPN. Login, Nord login, connect to a server, Nord connect, check connection status, Nord status.